Prepare documents for your independent contractor onboarding flow. Add tags for fillable and merge fields to the contractor agreement. Download Form W-9 with fillable fields. Create a template for the onboarding flow. Upload Form W-9 to the template. The response retrieves the document ID and an array of fields. Next, upload the docx contractor agreement with tags. Retrieve the ID of the default step for your template, recipient 1. Rename this step to contractor. Create a new step, client. Check the new steps for the template. Assign the signature client and date client fields to the client. In the parameters, indicate the ID of the contractor agreement. Install bots in your airSlate account. Set up the pre-fill via API bot. Configure the pre-fill from doc-to-doc bot to transfer data from the W-9 to the contractor agreement. Retrieve the ID of the template version for publishing. Publish the template version. Create a flow. Indicate the ID of the contractor agreement and the fields you want to pre-fill, name and value. Create invitations to complete documents for the contractor and client. The contractor will get a link to the flow by SMS and the client by email. The contractor completes the W-9 on any device. The bots we have installed pre-fill the contractor agreement with data. Once the contractor has signed the agreement, the client receives a link to the flow. The client reviews and signs the documents.